There it is. Now it is.
Okay. See, I don't know where I'm shooting from. Keep it by you.
I think right here is good. Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, you have to love that.
I mean, damn, dude, I don't even really see.
There it is.
Oh, there's some of it.
Here, someone hold this. I'll take it out.
That wreckage looks actually pretty cool with it dripping all over the place.
Looks like breeze.
And here we have Dustin's asshole.
Oh, fuck off.
Justin's what?
See, there's another shot worth.
My turn. All right.
I'd love
You
to
have clean hands.
Dripping.
I'll go throw a round in. Y'all ready?
Alright, let me know. Recording now.
Live.
You're a little high on it.
Clear.
Where is it?
Sarah, do you want a shot? I think
Sure.
there's enough left.
Yeah, sure. I'll do a shot.
All right, Dustin, if you don't mind.
We'll just push hard.
Ah! I think I missed.
Yeah.
Dustin, go grab a couple shells.
Clear that one.
Again?
My arms hurts.
One more.
Mother. Oh, okay. I see when I hit the tree behind it.
You got that fern, and you're clear.
Oh.